All right, got the planer out. Before I plane down the glue up of the maple and walnut, just kind of wanted to show y'all something. So the planer makes quite a bit of dust and blow off. It's one of the reasons I got the air filtration system here. There's an unboxing video that I made. Click that right here. I don't know. Anyway, it makes a lot of dust. I was doing some Purple Heart cutting boards and coming through. I don't know if you can see on video. This is just covered in purple dust. I made this, which is all torn up now, to have the hose come in. I couldn't really put the dust collection onto here because it was just filling it up way too fast and clogging everything up. Just a nightmare. I tried a little experiment. Kitty litter box, cut a hole here, had this going in, little filtration system here, holes. It didn't really work. I mean, it kind of did, but there's a lot of restriction that was happening in here. The 90-degree bend shouldn't be a big deal, but who knows? We'll find out. Because I haven't used this too much, I did build another thing. Set that right there. This is very hastily thrown together, and you can even tell I didn't care about the quality of the build too much. But this is just a cloth tote bag that was already torn up, so I just tore it up more. Did a double layer just to kind of make a filter and input for the hose off of there, and this is just going to go straight up on my city issued trash can. I've tried it a little bit. It kind of worked, so I'm going to keep trying it. Got to clamp this down, but we'll see. It should work out pretty good, and keep less of it in my lungs and more of it in the trash. Surprisingly enough, this thing blows out with a lot of pressure. Maybe it's not surprising to anybody else, but it surprised me when I was doing my test runs of it the other day. So, gotta clamp it down. Otherwise, it will quite literally blow itself off. So, let's get this here. And there's also yellow jackets everywhere. I don't... Why? Why are you here? Stop. Go away. Quite annoying. Maybe I need to more this end. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know if this is too many clamps, but too many is better than not enough, right? All right. Let's try it out. Don't want to forget the ear protection. This thing is loud. Yellow jackets. Okay, well, we just ran that walnut and maple through there into here. Let's see how much we caught. I felt like most of it went in. There was a little, I don't know what it's technically called, spit out. That stuff was still coming out a little bit from the planer itself. Get these clamps off of here. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, so, okay. Yeah. I'm happy with that. Wow. Man, that worked a lot better than I thought it was going to, so that is in the trash, not in my lungs, or the air, or in that filter. So, okay, cool. All right, let's get to cutting. You can see this worked a little bit, so that's good. Might hit it with the dust collector and just clean it off maybe every time I use it. I don't know. Anyway, happy with it.